How to create a Zoom account. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can create a Zoom account. Well, the process is simple. First things first, what you want to do is you want to download the Zoom Workplace application. You can also head into the web browser, but getting the application will be easier and convenient. Once you install this application, open it up. Then you'll get an interface somewhat like this. You can see sign in, sign up, and join meeting. Now I haven't yet signed up, so let me sign up. Tap on sign up option and now this option will appear here. So it'll ask you to select your birth year. So tap on it and you want to enter in your birth year here and tap on continue. Then you can choose to enter in your email address here manually, tap on continue and go through the prompts, or you can choose to go here. So I'll tap on continue with Google, tap on continue again, and then simply select your Google account, one of your account logged in your device, and then it should prompt you quickly right away. Tap on continue here and you're good with the account. Now all you gotta do is enter in some personal details here for the account itself. Rather than that, you don't need to do anything here. Tap on accept cookies, tap on for educators here. Now if you click here only if you're signing up on behalf, so you just don't want to tick that, and then tap on create account and your account is created and you'll be signed in real quick. So as you can see, I'm signed in now. So this is how you can easily create an account on Zoom. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.